Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Steve from Minecraft. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we're going to first start off at the top and let's draw a square for the head. Now top in, and at the top, let's draw the hair. Let's start from the sides and let's draw a line in. Then let's bring it up. And then connect them with a line across. Now top down into the bottom section and let's draw a sideways rectangle for the nose. Now from the top corners, let's draw another rectangle on both sides for the eyes. Let's start with the line going out. Then bring it up on both ends. And then close off the tops. Now top inside each of the eyes and let's draw a line down in the center. And that's it for the eyes. Lastly, for the face, let's add the mouth. Underneath the nose, let's draw 2 lines down. And a line across at the bottom. Now top back up next to the bottom corners of the nose and let's draw a line out. And then bring it down on both sides. And that's it for Steve's head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's step in from the sides and let's draw 2 long lines down. And then connect them at the bottom. Now let's move inside and let's draw some details on the shirt. At the top, let's draw a line down on the left and on the right. Now at the bottom, let's bring it in, down again, and a line across at the bottom. Now top down to the bottom right and let's draw a line up, bring it over to the left, and then another small line up. And then from the top, let's draw a line all the way over to the left side. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with a line down underneath on both sides. And then close it off at the bottom. Now inside, let's draw a line down in the center. And then another line across near the bottom. Now that we're done the legs, let's move back up and draw the arms. Let's start on the sides next to the head and let's draw a line out. Then let's bring it down. And then bring it back into the legs underneath. And lastly, inside the arms near the top, let's draw a line across for the sleeves. And that's it for Steve. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!